Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum dear students. Again welcome back to my YouTube channel Bright Future with Mathematics. So start of the day with previous lecture. In previous lecture we discussed about the properties of union and intersections. So also have a proof of some properties. Now start with the proof of other properties which remaining in the previous lecture. So start with proof of the properties. So third property is distributive property. Distributive property of union over intersection. So this is the property and we have to prove it. First of all, written in mathematical form, A union B intersection C is equal to, this is the left side of the property and right side is A union B intersection A union C. So the right side. So we have to prove these sides is equal. So first of all we have to suppose set A, B and C. So let's suppose let A is equal to 1, 2, 4, 6 and B is equal to 2, 3, 4, C is equal to 1, 4, 7, 8. So these the three sets are suppose that we have to prove these sides equal. So first of all take left hand side is equal to A union B intersection C. So write these sets as it is written in the mathematical form. So take a set A. Set A is equal to 1, 2, 4, 6 and union bracket. Take set B. B set is equal to 2, 3, 4 and take use the sign intersection and set C. Set C is 1, 4, 7, 8. Bracket close. So first of all we have to solve the bracket. So this set will be same 1, 2, 4, 6 union. So after the intersection of these sets we have a set have these elements. So 4 is in both sets. So 4 is the intersection of these sets. So 4 is the intersection and now we have a set which have only one element 4. So now we take to union of this element with the set A. So after union we have left side 1, 2, 4, 6. So after union and intersection of these sets we have left side which have the element 1, 2, 4, 6. Now we take the right side of the property which is, so right side of the property is A union B intersection A union C. So right side is equal to, open the bracket, right set A then union right set B. So set A is 1, 2, 4, 6 union set B have the brackets have set A. Set A is 1, 2, 4, 6. Intersection, so we have union with set C. C is 1, 4, 7, 8. So close the bracket. So this is the right side of the property. Notice the union of these two sets have union. So 1, 2, 4, 6, same set will be 1 and 3 will be added. So union is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Intersection, the union of this set is 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. Now we have to take the intersection of, after getting the union of these four sets, now we take the intersection of these sets. So our intersection is, the intersection of these sets will be those elements which are present in those sets. So first 1, 2, 4 and 6. So this is the intersection 1, 2, 4, 6. So this is the right side of the property. We can see that the left side of the property, this one is equal to this side. So right side is equal to left hand side. So which is clear that left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So now hence we have conclusion that we have proved that left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Hence prove left hand side is equal to right hand side. So this is the distributive property of union over intersection. Now we have the distributive property of intersection over union. Now we have distributive property of intersection. Over union. So first of all, we already defined this property and now we have to prove this property. So take the previous sets which are A, B and C. So we have left side of this property A intersection B union C is equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. So this is the left side of the property and this one is the right side of the property. Now we already spoke that A is equal to 1, 2, 4, 6 and B is equal to 2, 3, 4 and C is equal to, so we have already supposed, we have already defined these sets. So let A is equal to 1, 2, 4, 6 and B is equal to 2, 3, 4 and C is equal to 1, 4, 7, 8. Now take the left side of this property. Left hand side of property is A intersection B union C. So write these sets as it is in the mathematical form. So A set is 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, 1, 2, 4, 6. Intersection bracket B set 2, 3, 4. Have union with set C 1, 4, 7, 8. Bracket close. So first of all, we have to solve the bracket. We have to take the union of these two sets. So first set is same as it is 1, 2, 4, 6. Intersection. We have a set that contains the element of both sets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. Now we have to take the intersection of these two sets. So intersection of these sets is the 1, 2, 4, 1 to 4, 1 to 4, only 1 to 4. So left hand side of property is a set which have elements 1 to 4. Now take right side of this property. Right hand side A intersection B. So first of all, I have to write the A set elements 1, 2, 4, 6. Now have intersection with B set 2, 3, 4, and have a union of other two sets. Other two sets are 1, 2, 4, 6. Intersection. The C set is 1, 4, 7, 8. Now we have to take the intersection of these sets. So intersection of these sets is the set which have elements 2 is present in both, 4 is present in both. So 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Now union of with the intersection of these sets which have elements 1, 4, 1 and 4. 1 and 4. So now we have to take the union of these sets. So have right hand side is equal to 1, 2, 4. So this is the clear that left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So this is equal to left hand side. So we have a conclusion, again have a conclusion that hence proof left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So this is the proof of the properties of union and intersection. Now start our next lecture, our next topic. So the next topic of the lecture is our special topic is the now we have to discuss, and we have previous lecture and discuss previous lecture, and the topic of the day is De Morgan's laws. So our special topic of the day is De Morgan's law. We have a De Morgan's law which have the two laws, and we have to prove these laws. So first law is that first first lies A union B intersection, all intersection of A union B, all complement of A union B is equal to the A complement intersection B complement. So this is the first law of De Morgan's law. The second law is that A intersection, second one is A intersection B whole complement is equal to A complement union B complement. So these are the De Morgan's laws. We have to prove with all the defined sets. We need that there is a universal set U and set A and set B. Then we have to prove these two laws. So first of all we need that there is a universal set. So I have defined to verify that for verification we need that there is a universal set. So universal set is for verification. Universal set is that U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the universal set which have 5 elements. These are the natural numbers. So first 5 natural numbers in the set. This is the universal set. So after this I have to define the set A. Set A is 1 to 5. Set B is 4, 5. So set A is have element and set C is 2, 4 and set A is equal to, so 4, 5 and 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5. So this is equal to B. So I define, first of all I define universal set is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and set A is equal to 1 to 5 and set B is equal to 4, 5. Now take the first law of De Morgan's law. So first law is take the left side of this law. So left hand side of first one is, so this is the proof of your verification. Of De Morgan's laws. So verification of De Morgan's laws. First one is A union B का complement is equal to A का complement intersection B का complement. So left side of the left hand, take left hand side. So first of all we need that A union B. So A union B intersection the complement is equal to universal set difference A union B. So this is the left hand side of the De Morgan's law. So universal set difference A union B. So universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 difference A union B. So A set is 1, 2, 5 union set B. Set B is 4, 5. So after union we have the same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Difference. The union of this set is 1, 2, 4, 5. So we have the difference of these set. So difference of these set is the 1, 2, 4, the 1, 2, 4, 5. यहाँ से हमने क्या करना है, इसको हमने इससे निकाल लेना है. We have to distinguish the difference of these sets is an element 3. So left hand side of the Morgan law is only the set which have only one element, the singleton set. So after that we have to take the other side. So right hand side of the Morgan law, so right hand side, so take the right hand side, we need A to complement intersection B का complement. So A complement intersection B complement. Where? So we are starting again and I have some short break. So I have moved left side of the De Morgan law. So De Morgan law is A union B complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. So with the given sets A, B and the universal set, I have proved the left side of this De Morgan law. Now I have the right side of the De Morgan law. So first of all, I again rewrite the sets of this law A, B and U. So universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again A set is equal to 1, 2, 5. B set is
पीछे
4,
आगे नहीं
5.
वीडियो बनाओ ना वीडियो
So B set is 4, 5. So right side of this law is A complement. I will rewrite the right side. The right side of this law is A complement intersection B complement. So first of all, I have to prove I have taken the A complement. So A complement is equal to U difference A. So first of all, I have to find the U difference A. U set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Difference set A is 1, 2, 5. So I need to take those elements of this B sets which are not present in set A. So the given set A complement is equal to, these have to be skipped from this set 1, 2, 5. So remaining complements are remaining elements 3, 4. 3, 4. The remaining A complement is equal to 3, 4. Now we have to find the B complement. So B complement is equal to U difference B. Now take the universal set. universal set as it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Difference B set is 4, 5. So these elements should be derived from this set. So B complement is equal to 1, 2, 3. So B complement is equal to 1, 2, 3. Now we have to take the right side. A complement intersection B complement. So A complement intersection B complement is equal to, now take the A complement is equal to have the elements 3, 4 intersection B complement is 1, 2, 3. Take the intersection of these sets. So intersection of these sets is equal to only 3. The singleton set in which we have only one element 3. So we can say that left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So hence go left hand side is equal to right hand side. So this is the proof of first De Morgan law. Now we have to take the second De Morgan law and
एक डस्टबिन में दे लो
so the second law is A intersection B whole complement. This is the verification of second De Morgan law. So A intersection B whole complement is equal to A complement union B complement. So the supposition sets U, A and B will remain same. Now have to take the left side of this law. So left hand side is equal to A intersection B whole complement. So left side will be equal to U difference A intersection B. First of all, we need to take A intersection B. So A intersection B is equal to A set is equal to 1, 2, 5 intersection B set 4, 5. So intersection of these sets will be equal to only 5. I have a singleton set which have only one member, that is 5. So now we have to take the left side of this line U difference A intersection B. So U universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Difference A intersection B only one element 5. So after union, after difference we have a set 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the left side of the De Morgan second law. Now right side of the De Morgan law is equal to A complement union B complement. A complement union B complement. So we already find some A complement and B complement. So again we can find out. So A complement is equal to U difference A that is
बोला
equal
तेरी
to
भी नींद आ गई
1 2
वो तेरी भी
3
नींद आ
4
गई
5 different set a 1 2 5. Now we have a complement is equal to 3 4. This is a complement as a same as b complement is equal to 1 2 3 because u difference b set. We have the three elements in this set 1 2 3. Now we take a complement union b complement. So
ये करना
a complement union b complement is equal to a complement have elements 4 3 4 union b complement 1 2 3. So right side of the second DeMarco law comes that 1 2 3 4. So this is the, we can see that this is equal to the left side of this law. So equal to left hand side. So hence left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So this is the verification of second law. So in this way we have proved that the De Morgan's law, all the left side and right sides are equal. So आप लोगों को समझ आ गई होगी, उम्मीद है कि आप लोगों को इस De Morgan लॉ की समझ आ गई होगी। दो De Morgan लॉ थे, मैंने उनको प्रूव किया। फर्स्ट लॉ क्या था हमारे पास, A union B whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. So I have verified that law. The second law is A intersection B whole complement is equal to A complement union B complement. So in this lecture I have proved that De Morgan's law. So I am understand that all the students that is at their own homes and away from the academy and away from university. In this way you can learn better than we can physically involve in this study better. So उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप लोगों को इंशाल्लाह इसकी समझ आई होगी। तो आपने कोशिश करनी है कि जितने भी स्टूडेंट हैं जिन तक ये वीडियो जो है नहीं पहुँच सकी, आपने डाउनलोड करनी है, शेयर करनी है, सब्सक्राइब करनी है ताकि उन तक ये वीडियो पहुँच सके। तो अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।
चलो